Hello, hope you are fine. Today I am going to discuss Junior English Book 1, page 3. The topic is using a and an. Here one exercise is given. Write the names of these things putting an in front of each. The words you need are in the list above. Means from this place we will write the name of this and before the word we will put an. So, here we are getting it as a picture of a cup. Here it is written a cup. So, in this place we will write an egg cup. Let us write an egg cup. This is the picture of what? This is the picture of apple X. Yes, X. So, it will be here an X. Okay. This is a picture of arrow. So, we will write here it is written arrow, the spelling is written here. We will just put an before it, an arrow. This looks like oven. Here it is oven. So, we will write an oven. So, there are more pictures. Yes, here see this is what? This is iron. So, we will write here an iron. Okay. This is what? This is, I think it is not familiar with you because you did not see yet or someone you can see. It is called envelope. So, here see in this place it is written the spelling envelope. We will just put an before it. It will be an envelope. So, this is so well known picture. We do not need to go over there. Apple, we used to eat it. So, it will be an apple. I think this is also familiar with you or you know it, that is onion. Here onion is written. We have done already apple. So, it will be an onion. If you give attention in this place, you will find the words what we have used here. See, this word a cup has started E, X has started A, arrow has started with A, oven with O, iron has started with I, envelope has started with E, okay, and apple has started with A and onion with O. You just keep remember, if you find a word has started with this, it is called actually vowel. We know A, E, I, O, U, these are called vowel. If you find primarily, if you find a word has started with these letters, then before the word you should use an. Here it is written, see in your book it is written, always write an before words beginning with A, E, I, O, U. Always write it before words beginning with other letters which are called consonant. These are called vowels and rest of the letters are called consonants. So, let us do B number exercise. Here in this place B number exercise is written, write A or an before each of these words. You just keep remember, if we find the word has started with these letters, then we will put blindly an, and if we find the word hasn't started with these letters, then we will put A. So, okay, let us start. One number here, dash clock. The word clock didn't start with these letters. So, here we will put A. Armchair, yes, armchair has started with A. It is called here. If you find the word has started with this letter, then we will put N. Orchard has started with O, so we will put here N. Book, book there is no vowel, means not A, E, I, O, U, so we will put here A. Pen has started with P, not with A, E, I, O, U, so we will put A. Arc, here it is started with what? A, so here will be N. Tree, that's tree. This word has started with T, it's not included in this row, means it is not started with vowel, so we will put here A. Door, door has started a consonant with, that is D, so we will use here a door. Elephant has started with E, here it is, so we will write an elephant. Ostrich has started with O, here this is, so blindly you will put here an. Eagle, it is started with E, so we will put here an. 12. Hoop, it has started with H, so we will put here A, because H is not included in these letters. Desk has started with D, this is consonants I told, without A, E, I, O, U. If you find a word has started with another letter, we will blindly use A, so it will be A. And next one, final one, 14, here what is written? Island, so we will put here an, because it is started with what? It is started with I. Hope you have understood today's topic. We will meet another day with another page, that is of course page number 4. Bye for today.